le tup, le loop. That is by tup. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you how to count money, how to count figures in Ogoni. So I'm going to start from 5 naira. 5 naira, we call 5 naira. 5 naira is 00 naira. Then 10 naira is loop naira. Loop naira. We call 15 naira loop le 00. Loop le 00 naira. That is 15 naira. Loop le 00 naira. While 20 naira is tup naira. Tup naira. Tup naira. Then 25 naira is tup le 00 naira. Tup le 00 naira. That is 25 naira in Ogoni. Then 30 naira is called tup le loop naira. Remember, tup is 20. Tup is 20. Loop is 10. Are you understanding? Tup is 20. Loop is 10 naira. Also, 30 naira will be tup le loop naira. Are you getting it? Then 35 naira will be tup le loop le 00 naira. Tup le loop le 00 naira. So if you add this 5, if you add this, let's do it this way for better understanding. If you add, for you to get tup le loop le 00 naira, you will do 20 plus 10 plus 5 equal to 35. So 35 in Ogoni language is called tup le loop le 00 naira. Tup le loop le 00 naira. Then we have here 40 naira. 40 naira is by tup naira. By tup naira. So for you to have this by tup naira, you use a simple example. 20 is tup. So for you to get by tup naira, you do 20 plus 20, which is 40. That is tup le tup. It will be equal to by tup, which is 40. I really want you to get this point. For you to get 40 naira, which is tup naira, which is by tup naira in Ogoni, you need to add tup, which is 20 naira, to another tup. So tup yere losing anea by tup. So also tup le tup yere losing anea by tup. So here is 45 naira. For you to get 45 naira, you will do tup, which is 20 plus 20 plus 5. Tup is 20. Tup is 20. This 5 is 00 naira. So this will now give you 45 naira. 45 naira. This is 50 naira. 50 naira is called by tup le loop. By tup le loop. So for you to get 50 naira in Ogoni, you do 20 plus 20 plus 10, which is 50. Which is 50 naira. Which is 50 naira. So this is tup le loop. That is by tup. 20 plus 20 plus 10 equal to 50 naira. So tup le loop will give you 50 naira, which is by tup le loop. By tup le loop. Then we have here 55 naira. In Ogoni, we call 55 naira by tup le loop le 00. Batup le loop le oo. So for you to get batup le loop le oo, this is what you do. You do tup yelelo tup yelelo loop yelelo oo yelelo oo. Ane a batup ane a batup le loop le oo naira. Batup le loop le oo naira is 55 naira. Batup le loop le oo naira is 55 naira. Then for you to get, this is 60 naira. 60 naira. This is tatup, not batup le loop. This is tatup, which is 60 naira. So for you to get tatup, which is 60 naira, what you do is that you add osu tup yelelo tup. Sa yelelo dona ka tup nage. Sa yelelo dona ka tup. Ane a tatup which is 60 naira. Tatup is 60 naira. So for you to get elebatup, which is 70 naira. Elebatup, which is 70 naira. 70 naira. What you do is that also tup, which is 20, sa yelelo another tup. Yelelo another tup. So yelelo another tup again. There's another 20 naira plus yelelo a loop. Yelelo loop. Yelelo loop. So lo yele tup le tup. Enya by tup, which is 40 naira, plus another tup, it will give you 60 naira plus loop, which is 10 naira. That is equal to 70 naira. 70 naira. Then lo wagbete ele 80 naira, which is 80 naira. 80 naira in Ogoni is called niatup. So for you to get this niatup, which is 80 naira, you will do also tup, which is 20 naira. Yelelo another tup. Yelelo another tup. Banlo donaka tup nage. So benage so banlo lo donaka e tup nage. Tup le tup enea e ba tup o ya yelelo donaka tup enea ta tup o yelelo lo kama nage anea e nia tup. So lo do a tup le tup enea ba tup plus donaka tup enea ta tup plus donaka tup nage enea nia tup, which is 80 naira. 80 naira. What I'm saying is 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 20 will give you 80 naira. So now we are on 90 naira. 90 naira. 90 naira. This is 90 naira is niatup le loop. That is 90 naira in Ogoni language. Niatup le loop. So this is what you do to get 90 naira. Tup, tup, le, tup, le, tup, le, tup, le, loop equal to 90 naira. So what I'm saying is that tup is 20, 20, 20. Loop is 10. Loop is 10. So 20 plus 20, 40, plus 20, 60, plus 20, 80, plus 10. That is 90. So tup le tup le tup le tup. So tup yere lozin. So tup yere lozin ka tup enea ba tup. Oga yere lozin ka tup again enea ta tup. Oga yere lozin ka tup again enea nia tup plus loop. Anea niatup le loop, which is 90. So the last one for today is 100. 100 naira. 100 naira. 100 naira in Ogoni is called ootup. Ootup. That is zinbele naira. Zinbele naira. That is 100 naira. Zinbele naira. 100 naira is called zinbele naira. So lo wali ere zinbele naira no do nama. Also tubunu. So tubunu. Yele lo tubunu. O yele nage lo tubunu. O yele lo tubunu nage. Yele lo tubunu nage. O gana yele dona ka tubunu lo ene ya zinbele naira. Zinbele naira, which is 100 naira. So let's go back to the beginning. The beginning is here is OO, which is O naira. Loop, which is loop naira. Loble OO, which is loble OO naira. Tup, which is tup naira. Tuble OO, which is tuble OO naira, 25 naira. Tuble loop, which is tuble loop naira, 30 naira. 35 tup le loop le OO, which is tup le OO naira, 35 naira. Batup naira, which is 40 naira. Tup batup le OO naira, which is 45 naira. We have here batup le loop, 50 batup le loop, which is 50 naira. Batup le loop naira. Batup le loop naira. Pio ne batup so kama kode wunyi kpebe lo ya no so nyana kpo bia oko mama neme wunyi kpebe, that is 50 naira. Then ele akiyama 55 naira. Batup le loop le OO naira. Batup le loop le OO naira. That is 55 naira. Batup le loop le OO naira, which is 55 naira. Here we have 60 naira, which is tatup. Tatup is 60 naira. Here we have 70 naira, which is tatup le loop. Tatup le loop is tatup le loop naira. That is 70 naira. Then here we have 80 naira, which is niatup naira. Niatup naira, 80 naira. And here we have 90 naira. Niatup le loop. Niatup le loop naira, 90 naira. Niatup le loop naira, 90 naira. Then here we have 100 naira. 100 naira. 100 naira, which is zinbele naira. Zinbele naira. Zinbele naira. Zinbele naira is 100 naira. And for you to get this zinbele naira, no yero zina o tub naira. Luba near 20 naira. 20 naira into 5. We give you 100 naira, which is o tub naira. We give you 100 naira. Thank you very much for your time. I do appreciate. If this is our first time on the channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this video. This is the end of today's mathematics class. How to count, how to calculate money in Ogoni language. Thank you. My name is Peter Wenganade, your host today. Thank you and Happy New Year to you all.